Okay, I have the Nine of Swords. So basically, overall energy, this person, they can't sleep. They can't sleep. They're frustrated. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. But I'm seeing that they're trying to have the strength. Seven of Swords try to come out reverse. So this person's trying to make a change. But then now I have the Seven of Cups. So this is telling me that they could have been holding on to a marriage, a commitment, something that they were in. And when it comes to you, it's like they don't know what to do. They don't know how to fix this. Because, see, they stay in some type of situation out of fear of taking a loss financially. But this person's upset because regardless, they feel like they lost you. They're going through a Tower moment. Because now they're having to make a decision. They need to make some type of decision. And it's like they're not being positive. Lord, they're getting me tongue-tied today. Ugh. Okay. So, it's like they're not positive. They're not putting in the work because they're afraid that they're not going to be able to turn things around with you. See, there's the Wheel of Fortune. So, I feel like this person learned a lesson. They completed a cycle. They're moving forward. But because there was a little bit of hesitation, I do feel like this person, they're almost done. You get what I'm saying? It's like they're right there. But see, they're back. Didn't I just say it's like they're almost done? They're right there. Three of Swords came out just like this. So this is them in some type of third-party situation. And they know that they have to get out, but they're not all the way out just yet. They're having a hard time. Clarify. Yeah, they were feeling stuck in this situation, but they're coming out of being frustrated because they're getting ready to free themselves. I'm telling you, somebody is getting ready to leave. They're almost out of some type of situation. Yep, I told you they're coming out of being frustrated. There's a judgment. Okay, so either this is them making a decision about getting out of this third party situation, or this could be them waiting on some type of judgment when it comes to court. So let's see. See? Somebody's walking away. I told you. They made the decision to walk away. But right now, yeah, I'm picking up two things. For those that it's like either some type of legal situation or they're in like a marriage or there's a contract, it's like they could be waiting on like something to end, like to expire. They're waiting on a decision from the courts, you know, because then it's like I can free myself, I'm done. But it's like this decision is taking a long time. Now, for others of you that may not have anything to, you know, do with your story, there's going to be a situation to where they're needing to make that judgment call on their own to walk away from this other party. Because see, in the past, it's like they've been moving really slow to do it because of some type of family situation, a home situation. So the thing is, they want this with you, but this could have been the problem. They were in some type of situation. See, I have 2-4, so there was definitely a home or a family situation here. You know, and this is why they're afraid that you're going to reject their offer. And that's why they're trying to make a change right now. See? And they're worried about their money. And this is why they've been isolating themselves. Somebody could have been dealing with a Virgo. Back and forth with the Nine of Swords. The fact that I have 2 9s here, I told you this is some type of karmic cycle that's coming to an end. You know, and they're trying not to be frustrated, but they are. See, about some type of family situation, something from the past or someone from the past, and this is why they're not talking to you. This is why there's no communication. They're not opening up. So they're wanting to come towards you, but again, they're moving a little slow. They're not listening to their intuition. Okay. So I'm seeing that they will have the confidence to come towards you. You could be dealing with an Aquarius, but it's like they're losing hope. Look at that, see? So somebody's in a soulmate situation. This could be a twin. But the thing is, it's like they look at you as someone who's positive. You're a blessing. And it's like every time they want to say something to you, they don't. You know, it's like they're making a decision right now just to kind of keep to themselves because they don't have a peace of mind due to what they did to you. It's like you both are on the same page. I'm gonna be honest, and there's Taurus at the bottom of the deck. It's like you both are on the same page because you're upright, right? So the thing is, your backs are against each other. You both miss each other. Let's keep it 100. If you're not talking to this person, I feel like you think about this person, you miss each other, but it's like you're not making a move, they're not making a move. See? And you're like, I'm done. So there could be somebody else in this scenario, and you're like, I'm not putting any time, effort, or energy, see? Okay, this is the thing. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. I feel like this person is basically saying, you know, they feel like you're not going, when they get out of their situation, you're not going to give them another chance, you know, and this is them getting out of their head. This is them removing themselves from some type of toxic situation that they put themselves in. Could be dealing with a Cancer, but right now it's like they're not moving forward with you just yet because there's no balance, possibly with their finance. I told you, somebody's trying to get their money together. Them leaving a situation, they're trying to get their money straight. You know, and it's like there's somebody still holding on to them for money. Yeah, see? Because there's somebody here they're trying to cut off. And it's like they feel like they're not going to have a new beginning with you until they do so. And that's why they're not really talking to you. You know, this person definitely did leave you out in the cold, Taurus. And they want to apologize to you about that. But they're not confident because they feel like you're not going to give them another chance. Yep, they're hurting. This person's upset, you know. Taurus, you could be dealing with another Taurus. Clarify the Hierophant. Yeah. It's like they want to be committed to you, so they're taking a leap. You know, they're coming back to give you an offer. But I'm telling you, for some of you, if they are in a commitment, married, some type of contract, I feel like, again, they're focusing on their money right now. Somebody is definitely on their money. They're focusing on money. Yep, because they're trying to make sure they're stable before they come back and give you this offer. See? They choose you. They choose you. But they are afraid that things may not work out. But the seeds that they planted with you, they want them to grow. But they feel like you're going to let them go. Back and forth with the Queen of Swords. Yeah. They feel like you, it's like, I feel like you cut this person off in the past. And now they're afraid of what you're going to say. See? That's why I'm seeing a lot of, you know, they're unsure if they're going to be able to have this new start. See? Your guard is up with them. Why is the Empress here? They want a new beginning with you. But again, they don't know if they can balance it out. And this is why they're moving slow. I was waiting on the Emperor. I knew the Emperor was getting ready to come out. I was just waiting. Yeah, this is like a soulmate or a twin flame connection. This person, they want stability with you. Could be dealing with a Libra. Why is Justice here? They're trying to clear away an obstacle. I told you, for some of you guys, there is some type of contract here. They're trying to basically get away from. They're trying to clear away these obstacles because they know if this is still hanging over them, with them wanting to come towards you, you're not going to give them a chance. And see, they want to be in a relationship with you. They want to move in a new direction with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces. Why is the Moon here? But because of the secrets, the lies, the deception in the past, again, they're afraid that you're not going to take their offer. See? Because they didn't do right by you. But they're going to get out of their head. But I feel like this person is waiting on something financially speaking. Maybe for some of you, they might have a child. I'm seeing father figure. Some type of energy here. Yeah, and they stabbed you in the back. So somebody could have had a child with someone else. Or they have children with someone else. And they betrayed your trust. Yeah. It was a third party, and this is why they're trying to get out of a family situation. But they watch you. They definitely keep an eye on you, and they're frustrated because they feel like they lost you for good. They feel like you're, again, not going to take their offer. See, there's a death card. They feel like it's over. Woo. Lord, Taurus. All right. Let's get some advice. Okay, Spirit. When it comes to Taurus. Ooh, trying to move. Okay. Bottom of the deck, I'm seeing the stars. So, your overall energy, guys, you've been healing. You've been healing. Period, point blank. Yeah, you don't have the strength to deal with this. You're just focusing on yourself. I feel like a lot of you guys are just focusing on your money. But I feel like when it comes to you and this other person, you had to make a decision, you know, and you were frustrated. You were frustrated because you were feeling stuck. But overall, you feel like you're not going to have a victory with this person. And it still bothers you. It bothers you. Because it's like you would like to balance things out with them. But at the same time, you guys are like super confident right now. What is, y'all, everything keeps laying on the strength card. Okay, so it's like you're confident, right? You're moving forward. You're trying to just basically just focus on yourself, because remember, like I said, it's like you guys don't have the strength to deal with this person. And it's like 1 minute you want to say something to them, but the next minute you're like, See, this person, it's like they're not giving you the offer that you deserve. So I told you, you're focusing on yourself. I told you, you're focusing on yourself. You're healing. You're not worried about it, you know, because the thing is, you had to make a decision quickly due to the fact that this person was in a codependent situation, and this is why you chose to just put that energy into yourself, you know. But Spirit is saying now you have to let go of trying to control. I feel like in the past you guys were trying to control how this played out. You know, it's like you wanted it done your way, or you're like, okay, we're supposed to be with each other, however. But Spirit is saying it's like you're not listening to your intuition, because some of y'all, I do feel like you went back trying to extend some type of offer to this person. Listen. Yeah, but you guys are like, you know what, at this point, I don't want to build with them, and you're getting out of your head about it. You made a decision. You're healing. I told you, it's like you guys are just definitely focusing on you right now, Taurus. At one point, see, it's like you didn't want to move forward because you feel like you were going to lose this person, but now it's like you don't really care. You're like, it is what it is, see? The seeds you planted at this point, you're like, it's not going to grow due to this person possibly being in some type of family situation. But for others of you, you're like, you know what? I don't see myself having a family with him or her. If you guys are married to this person or in a commitment with this person, you may make the decision to get out of some type of family situation with them. Oh, Taurus. Lord. Y'all, please leave me some comments. Y'all, oof. I'm shaking my head at y'all. It's not even you. It's Scorpio, Libra, Taurus. Aries is next. I'm nervous because y'all are the final four. And it's just like, oof. Gemini wasn't even... Gemini won't better either. I don't know what's going on. But y'all gonna be just fine. So I need you guys just to keep your head up, keep moving forward. Please listen to your intuition, and everything will fall into place as it should, okay? So again, please leave me some comments. Let me know if it resonates. All right, guys, I love you all. I will talk to you soon. Bye, Taurus.